Have you been looking for the best way to learn piano? Maybe you're interested in learning, or you're looking for the right lessons for your child or grandchild. Perhaps you simply haven't found a way to learn piano that's engaging and worthwhile. Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, creator of Hoffman Academy. Hoffman Academy is the best way to learn piano, in your home, on your schedule. Hoffman Academy teaches piano using the Hoffman method, a complete education in music focusing on the whole musician. The online experience includes professionally produced video lessons, interactive learning games, sheet music, practice schedules, audio backing tracks, and more. As a Hoffman Academy student, you'll have fun learning how to read notes and rhythms. You'll improvise and compose, and you'll do it while learning how to play everything from Beethoven to Batman. I guarantee you will love it, or we'll give you your money back. Let's start playing today.